Hey, what's up, YouTubers? For those who don't know, I go by the name of Jason, and if this is your first time, I would like to formally welcome you to my channel. And today I wanted to introduce a simple Laravel project. Basically, we're going to be sending emails using a utility called Hmail Server. Now, just to point out, I never knew about this particular technology. It was recently made known to me by one of the guys who commented on one of the videos that I recently uploaded, and so I've been playing around with the utility just to see how we can send emails using Laravel. So within this project, I will be showing you how to set up Hmail server and how to send emails using that particular utility and so forth. And so what you see here is just a simple form where we're going to have a person sending or entering their name, last name, and their email. So basically, this will be the details of the individual who will be sending the email, and then this will be the details of who the email will be sent to. So before we get to do this, I just wanted to show you what HMail server looks like. So actually, you know what? Let me close it off, and then I'm going to open it again. So once you click on the HMail server icon, this will be the first window that you see. And so you just click on connect, and then you enter your password. And then once you log in, it will redirect you to this particular window. So now the one important part that you need to know of is this section here that says domains. So here, this is where you create your domain. You just say click add, you enter whatever name you want to enter there. And so basically, whatever name you enter here, this will be the name that's appended to whatever email accounts that you create. So, oh, sorry about that. Let me just log in again. Um, all right. So after you create your domain, right here underneath the domains, you'll see it listed over there. And then over here in this particular domain, this is where you will create your email accounts. So far I've created three. So these are the main three that I'm going to be using to test this particular email functionality that I'll be showing you just now within that Laravel application. So I have this Contoso mail server email, then I have user one and user two created, and then the same way you created the emails, I mean the domain, you just click on add over here, and then as you can see, this is where you will add whatever user or name that you want to add, and that domain is going to be appended to that name. So you can add like user three if you wanted to. So, but since I already have, oh man, sorry about that. So, but since I already have three email accounts added on there, those are the ones I'm going to be using to test within this demonstration video. Just want to log in again. All right, so yeah, so this is our domain. This is a domain that I created so far. So now here I have what you call it, Thunderbird set up as my email, or where I set up my email account. So as you can see, we have user one over there, and then we also have user two over there. And then these are the emails that I'm going to be testing with. And so I already have my Laravel application running. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say user one, and then sorry, I'm going to say user, then user one, and then I'm going to enter the email for user one, so which is that one over there. So remember, these are the two emails I created under the Contoso domain, and then those are the ones I set up over here. Okay, and then over here, I'm going to say I'm going to send the email to user two, and then over here, I'll just say sending email from Laravel. All right, and then I'll just say this is a test mail sending to user will be sending to user two. So if I click here now, it's then gonna send an email to that user number two that we just sent to. So if you go back to Thunderbird, if you see there, this is the inbox, and then there you, as you can see, that's the name of the user, and then that's the email that we sent, that we typed the message that we that's the title we sent, we typed into our form over there, and then that's our message. Now, what you will mainly see within this particular video is, again, we're going to be working with mailables. So we will be configuring our emails here within Laravel. We will set up our mailable class over here, and then the form is going to send to a controller, which will get all that form details, and then we're going to pass it through to that mailable so that we can pass that information into our view over here. So this is going to be a fairly simple project. So basically in this video you will see, or in this series you're going to see how to actually send emails using using Hmail server, and how we can pass information using mailables to a view, and then get it to be set and get it to be sent to what you call it, a whichever user we want. Now remember, the email was being sent from user one. As you can see, it's displaying there that user one was the one who sent the email, and then it was being sent to user two. And then as you can see there, the name and surname that we placed into the form are displaying there and all of that. So it's going to be fairly simple. It's not going to be complicated. If I were to show you here within the .env file, this is basically how you set it. So remember, we had three emails. The Contoso email server email account is what's being used to process the email. And though this is the username or the user account that we are using to send emails, though in the mailable itself, we did set the email to the emails that's being passed through into the what you call it, the mailable. But don't stress about this. I will show you exactly step by step how to do all of this, and then also don't stress about how to set up this. There is a video where I set up Hmail server, and I'll also show you again how to send email accounts, how to set up email accounts, and configuring it within Laravel, and then yeah, and then you'll see how we can do how I set that all up so that we are able to send emails using Laravel. So yeah, that's it for the video. I just wanted to show you what we're going to be working on, and like I said, I'll show you step by step how to set up all of this, and yeah, at least you'll be able to see as to how we can use this particular utility to send emails offline. This is so that if you don't have, like, maybe let's say if you don't want to use like Mailtrap or something like that, this is a nice utility that you can use to test email accounts, or to test how to send email accounts and all of that. And in fact, you don't even need a Laravel application to send emails. As you saw within the Thunderbird, you can just set those email accounts up within Hmail server, and then just play around with sending emails offline and all of that. But I wanted to introduce as to how you can use Laravel as well, as to how you can use Hmail server to send emails. All right, guys. So that's it for the video. If you've liked what you've seen so far, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys within the next video. All right. Cheers for now.